What's happening, hit the We're in Bronx, New York, baby. That's right. We're getting ready to install an oil tank installation. Guys, it's work, baby, and we're grinding. Guys, the heating season hasn't even started yet. So make sure that if you have an oil system, you have an oil boiler, make sure you check your tank because, hey, most of these tanks are about 50 plus years old. They're leaking. You don't want to have this type of mess. You don't want to have this type of headache. You don't want to have these type of problems. But guys, come on down with the HVAC Papi. Let's get busy, baby. Wepa!
Hola, mi gente. Wepa! All right, we have 275 gallons of oil tank. They're going to replace it right now. Practically, we already half of the process. We already removed some oil, the slush. We took about 10 bags already, that sludge, mixed it with the quick dry. We had to cut in pieces. Number one is because where the metal, they collect metal, they don't accept the tank completely sealed. We have to cut it in half and clean it inside like you see right here. There's still some particulars of the sludge and oil there. Then we have to completely cut it in half. So that way you have access to take it out of the house. And practically after that, we have to like kind of level this floor, clean all this area, put the new legs, put it in a level, and then we're gonna, in this case, we are going to eliminate this vent. We're gonna run to a different direction, going wherever the feed is. So at this point, we're, like I said, almost half of the job. And it's kind of nasty, smell very good. But we're getting there. So just stay tuned and see what's gonna happen at the end of this project. Wepa, hermano.
All right, mi gente, guys, we just finished wrapping up this beautiful oil tank installation. Guys, this is what it takes, baby. As you guys see, you can see the process, you can see the work involved, and you see that it's a team effort. But guys, this is how we work. This is what we have to do in order to get the oil tank installed. In this case, it was a little tight, so we couldn't go down the actual regular staircase. We have to go through the kitchen, to the back of the house, and back into the house to the actual cellar door and into the basement. So guys, listen, every job is different. There is no one job, or I should say one universal oil tank installation per se, meaning that every oil tank installation is slightly different. Yeah, they're all similar, but sometimes, like in this case, we had to break out the wall. Well, actually the homeowner did, but there was a wall right here, believe it or not. And we needed to get access. There was a couple of things, obstacles we had, little bumps in the roads, but there's nothing that New York Boiler and Air Conditioning team, the Wepa team, can't handle. So guys, if you need an oil tank installation, you happen to be in the Bronx, Long Island, anywhere in New York City, guys, hit us up, 516-377-5200, and let us and have the pleasure to install your next oil tank installation. Stay tuned, mi gente. Wepa.
Mi gente, it's Louie The Boiler Man, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa! Fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, y está caliente. Louie The Boiler Man is here to cool mi gente. It's hot outside and it's gonna get it hotter. Oh, New York Boiler will cool your casa.
516-377-5200, and Louis, who you mentioned, Wepa.
It's Louie The Boiler Man, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa! Fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, y está caliente. Louie The Boiler Man is here to cool mi gente. It's hot outside and it's gonna get hotter. Oh, New York Boiler will cool your casa. 516-377-5200, and Louis, who you mentioned, Wepa!